friends, my name is Bansudeshwara Shankar. I am studying Diploma in Mechanical Engineering at Government Polytechnic Nanded. Today we will discuss about cogeneration and trigeneration process. Firstly, we will see what is cogeneration. Cogeneration means combined heat and power. Is sequential conservation of energy contained in a fuel into two or more usable forms. First, energy from coal is converted to heat in a boiler to produce steam. This steam produces electricity. In addition, provides it for manufacturing process. Second, gas is used in turbine to generate electrical energy. The remaining heat is used to produce steam in heat recovery boiler, which can be used for manufacturing process. Thus, a conventional system produces either electrical or thermal energy, but a cogeneration system produces both the energies. A cogeneration system can either be an implant power generation system or a reject heat utilization system. Then we will see types of cogeneration power plant. Types of cogeneration power plant. In a typical combined heat and power plant system, there is an steam or gas turbine which takes steam and drives an alternator. A waste heat exchanger is also installed in cogeneration power plant, which recovers and excess heat or exhaust gas from the electrical generator to in turn generate steam or hot water. There are basically two types of cogeneration power plants such as topping cycle power plant and bottoming cycle power plant. Here is the cogeneration power plant layout, in which includes boiler, turbine, alter, alternator and condenser and etc. Now we will see the need of cogeneration. Cogeneration helps to improve the efficiency of plant. Cogeneration reduces air emission of particulate matter, nitrous oxide, sulfur oxide, mercury, and carbon dioxide, which would otherwise lead to greenhouse effect. It reduces cost of production and improve productivity. Cogeneration system helps to save water consumption and water costs. Cogeneration system is more economical as compared to conventional power plant. What are the benefits of cogeneration? Fuel economy. Fuel less consumption of primary fuel. Fuel economy results from higher thermodynamic efficiency of a cogeneration system as compared to separate power producing and heat producing system. Second, lower capital cost. Industry needing steam has to invest on boilers. The extra investment needed to upgrade boiler so that electricity can also be generated is pretty small as compared to the cost of boiler. Thus, cogeneration results in enormous savings in capital costs. Third, low generation period. A utility needs 6 years to a thermal generation system, whereas installation of cogeneration system by an industry need only 3 years. The lower generation period results in saving interest, early utilization of facility, early return on investment. Fourth, saving to industry from power cuts and power supply interruptions. Now we will see what is trigeneration. Trigeneration is a production of combined cooling, heat and power from a single generator of process. The trigeneration system produces electricity and useful heat, which is utilized for hot water, space heating or steam production, as well as energy efficient cooling. Trigeneration is sometimes referred to as a CCHP, means combined cooling, heat and power. What are the need of trigenerations? Trigeneration power plant does maximum utilization of primary fuel. Trigeneration satisfies the need of electricity, process, heat and cooling simultaneously. Instead of using three separate units of generation of electricity, process, heat and cooling, use of a single trigeneration plant is much economical. Fourth, in economical methods, power plants three separate units will require three primary fuels or working fluids of generation electricity, process heating and cooling, whereas a single trigeneration plant uses a primary fuel to generate three energies, that is electricity, process, heat and cooling simultaneously. What are the benefits of trigeneration? Energy savings. Reduces power cost by utilizing the existing waste heat produced during electricity generation to heat water or use as a central heating, as well as produce cooling for air conditioning system or refrigerant units. Reduces environmental impact. Trigeneration is an energy efficient method of power creation, offering around 30% reduction in greenhouse gas emission compared with mains grid power production. Trigon can be used either as a main source of power, heat, and cooling for your property or business, or as backup measure in case of mains power outages. It's ideal for remote use as a or use in areas which experience extreme weather events such as cyclones, tropical storms, or flooding reduces the risk of power cuts. Thank you.